Sometimes I get, irritated while doing this thing. But I feel that if I'm gaining something from putting little bit efforts here, so definitely it would be good in my future. So that's why I motivate myself like this. How are you doing?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm doing great.
So we met before also, right?
I think very long days back, ma'am. I think.
Yes, yes. Seems okay, no issues. So we
Yeah,
can start from the beginning. So it would be great if you can introduce yourself in a nutshell.
sure, ma'am. My name is Arjun, and I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
And I done my post graduation studies, and now I am preparing NTA UGC NET. And apart from my hobbies, playing cricket and watching cricket and watching movies and
Oh,
traveling.
oh, that's great. So would you like my introduction as well?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I think I know little bit because I'm also your subscriber on YouTube.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yes,
I'm just
ma'am.
giving in a brief. Like my name is Tanuja and I am from Bhopal city. It is an MP state, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube also in my part time, or you can say in my free time. And apart from this too, in my free time, I love to do drawing, dancing, and traveling sometime. That's all about me.
That's great, ma'am. What a wonderful
Okay, so you
introduction.
mentioned that you love watching movies. So do you watch Hindi movies or only South movies,
South, ma'am, especially my native Telugu movies.
Telugu movies? Okay, so do you have any favorite actor?
Mm. Yeah, yes, ma'am. My favorite actor is Prabhas.
Oh, Prabhas.
Yeah, I think all Indians know Prabhas because their Bahubali movie.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know this. Okay, so do you want to discuss any topic in this session, or like we can do general conversation?
Yeah, we can do general conversation, ma'am. And any particular reason for you are learning this language? I think you tell you are a software engineer. I think you have good command on this language. So why you on this platform?
Not really. I don't feel like I am a fluent speaker. But when I had started my journey, so that time I was a beginner. But because of doing practice here in this platform, I have improved this much. But still, I don't consider myself as a fluent speaker. So I feel if I'll speak every day, or like if I'll be consistent, so that we can get in touch with this language. Otherwise, if you don't speak for some days or some months, so we lose our fluency. For around 5 to 6 days, I didn't talk to anybody. So I'm just feeling that little bit I'm struggling. So that's why.
Mm. Yes, ma'am. Because English is not our mother tongue. That's why we are keeping in touch with this language is very necessary.
Mm, yes. Okay, so I am just
Yes,
asking
yes,
few
yes, ma'am.
question.
Sure.
What is the favorite way of your relaxing? Like, what do you generally do to
Yeah.
relax?
When I get feel bored, I think I interested in sports, ma'am. I think when I get feel stress or in area uncomfortable,
Mm-hmm.
so I play games. Especially cricket is my favorite game. So I play cricket with my friends, and apart from walking, going to outside in nature. So walking is one of the best way to relax ourselves.
Yes, you are right. So in my case, what I usually do most of the time, I try to sleep first if I get stressed, overstressed sometime.
Mhm.
Or otherwise I feel like to go outside when I have to refresh my mind, and I want to just feel I want to feel relaxed.
Like sleeping is the most important one, because we do smart work, like we are using only brain, that's why so we take some rest to our brain, so we go to sleep mode. I think they also uh, take a charging like our mobile phone.
Yeah, you are right. So when I sleep for some time, and when I then I wake up, so that time I feel little bit energetic. Yeah, for some minutes I feel like sleepy, but after a few minutes only I gain my energy back, and then I start my work again. So I usually
Yeah,
do
sure,
so.
ma'am. Communication skills, apart from you doing software job, and it's very hard. So nowadays, I saw my lot of friends also, they are working in a software field. So they
Mhm.
say very lot of stress, and think it's you are really great, ma'am. And how you manage your work and communication? Any you make any timetable, or yes?
Yeah, I think it's a frequently asked question. Most of the people ask me, but I generally feel that my day is already scheduled. 9 hours, I have to, do my office work. But good thing is that I am in my home because I am doing work from home. So that's why somehow I am able to manage both the things. Otherwise, I can totally understand that it is really hard to manage time. Especially not about, I'm just not talking for 20 to 30 minutes and that's it. Other than that, I have to edit my videos, and then I have to upload on YouTube. So it takes a lot of time and energy also. So sometimes I get, irritated while doing this thing. But I feel that if I'm gaining something from putting little bit efforts here, so definitely it would be good in my future. So that's why I motivate myself like this.
Yeah, that's great, ma'am. And how long for you were working in software field?
It's more than 5 years now.
Oh, I think you are a really great, ma'am. I think you look like you are a graduate student, like so. You have a 5 year experience. That's great, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Most of the people say this. Like I don't look like by my face, and in
Yes,
my
ma'am.
office
That's why I'm
also,
asking.
I feel that I am the younger one, and they are like more senior than me.
Yeah, yeah. Like we saw, like software engineers there, I think they're like 30 plus 35 years, and they have like their body structure. So they like
Mhm.
every time sit on the chair. So like we look fit, very fat, like
Yeah.
so.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yes,
So
yes.
as I already mentioned that even when I see other people in my office also, so I feel that I look very younger than them.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. That's great, ma'am. And you follow any specific strategies for improve yourself?
To be honest, no. But I always suggest two things to everyone, like listening and speaking part. So if you are consistent with these two things, so definitely you can improve a lot. And yeah, writing and reading part is also mandatory, but it depends on your schedule, or if you really want to, fluent as soon as possible. So definitely these four things you will have to do it. But in my case, I am not putting extra effort for this language only because, as you already know, that I have multiple things to learn. Because in IT field, it's like a study job. You have to do study every time. Like you have to be updated with the technology and new things every day. Then only you can improve your technical skills. That will beneficial for the company and for your growth as well. So, are
Yeah,
you doing
that's
any
true,
work, or
man.
still you are a student as of now?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. I am say I mentioned that I am preparing competitive exams like UGC net, ma'am. I think this exam helped to I cracked this exam, so I
Mhm.
got some stipend to government, and I am eligible for PhD admission also.
Oh, okay, okay. So you are preparing for
That's why I
competitive.
am
Mm-hmm.
competitive exam. That's why before I think I am doing like part-time job, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
But now I focus on my fully on this exam because we know competitive exams like big competition. That's why so I don't have that much time, and I am focused on my this language also. That's why I am fully focused on my exam, and I focus on my enhance my communication skills also.
Mm-hmm.
And because mainly why I am lack of this languages, mainly the environment, lack of environment, and apart from my studies, I completed totally in my native language medium. That's why since I childhood, I don't have this language environment. That is also one of the major drawback of ourselves. That's why. So even now, higher education system totally going on English medium. That's why I focus on my language because PhD is a very, I think, PhD program is a highest academic program.
Mm-hmm.
So we working lot of like we wrote thesis and we gave some presentations. So it's very hard. That's why English is very necessary. That's why I focus on this language.
Yes, you are right. I'm already working in IT company. So if I don't know English, so I also can't manage there because most of the people are from different countries. And in our team and in
Mm,
our client and manager, most of them are from different countries. So we need to learn this language so that we
mm.
can communicate with them.
Yeah, yeah. In my state also, southern peoples also most like to they choose IT sector because Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad is one of the major IT hub,
Mm-hmm.
and Bangalore also I think lot of my friends and my relatives working in Bangalore in IT sector. That's why IT is one of the most like dominant sector in service
Yes,
sector
yes.
is IT is one of the most dominant.
Yes, you are right. Even most of my friends are also in Bangalore and Hyderabad because it's like we can say that it's a IT hub. So most of the companies are already there. So that's why people prefer to go there. And in my case,
Mm,
I'm doing work from home. So that's why I didn't move to another city. Otherwise, I will have to move. Or if I'll switch to another company, so definitely it doesn't matter that I will get the work from home opportunity. So I need to go to office. And in our
yes,
city,
yes, that's great.
there is no MNC company, is like IT companies.
Mm,
Like there are some of them, startup kind of companies, but not big companies.
big companies, yeah, yeah. And now I think after Modi came, they gave so much priority to startup companies.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah, you say you are doing work from home, so you have this language environment on your home, like you talk with your friends or family members in this language, or you were talk with your native language.
No, no, we are just speaking in our mother tongue. Especially in Hindi, we talk every time, like with my parents and my sibling. And in my surrounding also, no one is speaking, no one speaks English language. So I generally speak when I
Yeah.
have any corporate or office meeting, then only I speak. Otherwise, to, improve myself, I do this kind of practice with sometime, like beginner or intermediate like this. So here I only do
Yeah.
practice.
Yeah. Try to keep touch with this language.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's great, ma'am. I think tell me about your YouTube channel. I think you have a lot of subscribers.
Not really. It's only 3K, around 3K.
Yeah, that's also good, ma'am.
Yeah, but it's been a long time for me, so that's why I'm not satisfied actually. Let's see in the future if maybe that I can grow on YouTube as well.
Definitely, definitely, your group, ma'am. I think share your experience. I think I saw your playlist. You speak with English Yaari tutors. And how is your experience? And you can improve improve your language, ma'am.
Yes, I took some of the session only, but not more than enough. I took some session just to know that where I'm lacking so that I can work upon those things. Otherwise, it is good that if you are already connected with Twitter, so definitely they will provide you the feedback or where are you lacking, where are you making any mistakes. So that is the good actually. But it is a paid application, so most of the time I don't gonna take it. So I took some of the session just to
Mm,
know and just want a feedback from the advanced speaker. Like they can identify my mistakes easily because like here we are just connected with the especially with the learners.
yeah, known tutor, they have a lot of experience.
Okay, so do you want to, learn any kind of skills like apart from English that
Yeah,
you
apart from English,
ever wanted to learn any skills that you thought like I should learn?
yeah, yes, ma'am. Because I interested to teaching field, ma'am. I think like English. Apart from English, I interested to learn like some technical language like computer. I know some
Computer.
little. Yeah, yeah. So I learn computer related
So you want to
skills, ma'am.
learn, yeah, IT stuff, we can say, especially regarding the computer and desktop, laptop. Yes.
Yeah, like computer system, laptop. So I know
It,
basic ideas. So I learn more about like systems. So nowadays AI is going on. So I think we don't know about this technology. So we go to we don't have this knowledge. So we are facing a lot of problems in future.
yes, you are right. It is technology in the future.
Mm,
So if you
mm.
know
Yeah,
much
yeah,
about it, so we can, I think we can apply it in every sector. Uh, so that is the good thing for
yeah,
us to
yeah.
learn this. And not for only that job purpose, but at least we should have the knowledge about these things like this
Knowledge. Yeah,
technology. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So that if someone will ask you, so you can give proper answer to them. Yes, how it is working and what it is and why we are using it actually.
I think I saw your some post you put on YouTube. I think you are also like good devotional person, like Hanuman Jayanti related. You put
Yeah, sometimes when I don't feel
sometimes. Yeah, yeah,
good, yeah, that time
yeah.
I do it.
I think devotional mood also one of the good for relaxation and we get some peace of environment, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Especially in
yeah.
devotional. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so as
true,
I
ma'am.
mentioned that sometimes when I feel sad or I don't feel like doing anything, so that time I just try to devote myself in that things like sometimes going to the temple or doing some this kind of thing. So it gives us different energy and
Yeah,
peace.
yeah, that's true. Yeah, peace, yeah, especially peace when we go to, I think we automatically we go to that mood. So sure, sure, man.
Till then, take care. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.